Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have a Honda Pilot 2009. The customer said that he changed the front ends and a couple of things, but this car looked like running very poor. And we have four VT M4 also is on. Before we judge anything, let's go ahead and diagnose this car to see what happened. Okay, I'm gonna go to VIN number, auto detect. I already connect my piece. Let me close the door. You're gonna wait a little bit till everything come on. You say accept. Now I will get the VIN number 2009 Honda Pilot. This is how to know the year is from the 10 digit of the VIN number. I will say okay. Let me put that window up because I see some noise there. Canada, Japan, US. Okay, this is the car Pilot. I will say yes. Now I just want to go to two things: the 4x4 and the diagnose. Or you can just go to your diagnose because the engine first. Auto scan, control unit, engine. I want to read the quotes. I see like half of the engine. Cylinder number 5 misfire, number 2 misfire, number 3 misfire, number 4 misfire, number 6 misfire. Everything in this car misfire. Also mass air flow meter sensor, low voltage, and then permanent misfires. Everything misfire. The mass air flow meter never repeat itself again, only one time. Maybe somebody disconnected, but this car misfire random. All cylinder are misfire. Okay, excuse me. Do they do any timing job? Open the cover, engine cover. They do any timing chain, anything?
I don't know. No, and I don't. Let me ask.
Yeah, let me try to delete this, clear this quote. Now we're gonna go back to erase everything to see if they can come back again. Because it's too much. Yes. Ignition on. Read codes again.
Did they do any changing down like current belt or anything? What they do?
It did was change the plugs.
It changed the spark plugs. It changed the front ends.
It changed the ABS sensor,
It changed the ABS sensor.
the spark plugs.
Spark plugs.
They change the spark plug.
Yeah.
But do you have any misfire before you change the spark plug? Do you have this kind of engine is shaking before you change the spark plug?
No.
The car running is smooth.
Yeah, when it's smooth before, everything was.
They have to review their job.
The only thing it was when it when I turned it, that was it.
Okay, now.
This is the control arm.
Okay, I gotta look at the data. It looked like something happened to this engine. Yeah, because we have very severe misfire. We have very severe misfire. Okay.
But you're running good before.
Yeah.
It was running good before.
Okay, hold on. Let me see something here. Also, the mass air flow meter sensor is not responding at all.
Really my check boys?
No.
Okay, the mass air flow meter sensor, when I give gas, it's supposed to go good. It doesn't read. Let me see the misfire now. Okay.
It was the spark plugs and the coil. And he changed the back hub.
Yeah, but why all this thing coming up?
He changed one the hub in the back.
Okay, we have very bad misfire here, and they have to review.
Change everything will look like a teacup.
Yeah, this is not good. They have to review this work on whatever they did on it. Okay. I don't have no mass airflow meter sensor volume, even though we have a little bit of 00 to 011. No, even if you hear the noise of the engine is clicking like chak 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 chak, which I don't like it. I see the air is too much. This car like running like misfire. You see here we have a cylinder number 6 is misfiring. Okay, total. There's misfires. Okay, let me see cylinder number 6, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. Display. Okay, let me see what I have there. Okay, this one here is misfiring.
What you guys said?
One, you see here, this misfire. You see this one cylinder here. You see those cylinders. You see this one here is missing one. This one 0. This one 0. But this one is missing. Completely doesn't work. You see cylinder number 6.
So that means that didn't change that one?
I don't know what happened to it, but I see the result of the misfire. You see, like number 6 is so badly, like, you see the car how, and yeah, this one is also, it shows that too much gas going into the tailpipe.
Oh.
So this one here is too much. Okay, too much on that one. Let me go back to the read code again because I delete all the codes. You see cylinder number 6. You see now? Cylinder number 6 is misfired very bad. You see how it is? Yeah, okay, for this one here, it can bring you the code for this. The misfire, a lot of misfire can bring you the code for VTM4.
For oil.
No, VTM4, you remember here? That one, I delete the code now, there is the VTM4. When you drive, you come, you have it. But you need to go back and address this code. Cylinder number 6 is very badly misfired. This is why the car is not running good. I don't know why. Is that because something got effect in the car? Do you have this one before? You don't have it, but this car, before I have multiple. But right now, one of them is dead. This number 6 is totally not responding.
No.
It's not a programming issue.
Oh, okay.
It could be a computer, it could be an engine. They need to check it good. But Honda have an issue with their engine. How many miles this car? 141.
60. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So right now I have this quote. It narrowed down to this one. Cylinder number 3, Misfire, and also 6. And also when you go to the data, when we go back to the data, if you remember, we found that everything is okay, but let me go back to cylinders, misfires. You see here those cylinders 6, and then 1, and then cylinder number 3, which is in number, this one I don't need, no, cylinder number 1, 3, here 1, 3, and 5. Here is 2, 4, and 6. Okay, those are the cylinders. Number 4 too. Select, okay. Yeah, and number 5, okay. 6 is here. I don't want to make mistakes, but let me see. This is 4. Maybe they're all here. Let me start now, see what's going on. You see number 6 is jump. You keep going, you see, it's collecting data fast. You see, it's not burning. All the other is good. There are no misfire. But you see, he collect 80%. You see? So, and I'm gonna check VTM, what code is there also one time, before you go crazy. For that, this one, 4x4 or front end. Let me see why I have the VTM4. Powertrain system failure, right front wheel speed sensor failure, left front wheel speed failure. So it shows that the right front wheel speed sensor failure, left front, the 2 front speed in the front, they have a problem, but we don't know exactly. Is that need the diagnosis? Is that the wire broke or a sensor? This for the VTM. You understand? And also 771, we have a code. It says 771. He says there is something with the engine computer, because he checking your light is on. He send message to light this wire. So first you need to eliminate that thing mechanically. I don't know, is the engine itself have an issue? Sometimes their cylinders, their head, they have a lot of problem in this car, especially after 140,000 miles. But let them go there and check why. It's not a programming issue.
Oh, okay.
And I have the same problem before. The people changed the computer, it was not a computer. So let them check power, ground, and compression test. Be sure that that cylinder respond good and they change everything on it or not. Okay, thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.